In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for keywords on Google Ads. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to refine your advertising strategy, understanding how to effectively search for and choose keywords is crucial. Not only does this knowledge help in creating effective campaigns, but it also enhances your ability to reach your target audience more precisely. So let's dive in and demystify the process. To start, navigating to Google Ads is your first step. For many, Google Ads is a gateway to reaching a broader audience. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, you'll find yourself at the Overview page. This page provides a dashboard that summarizes your advertising activities, but today we're focusing on keyword research, a fundamental aspect of any successful ad campaign. Next up, we'll need to access some tools that Google Ads provides for our keyword search undertaking. Look for the Tools icon. This section of Google Ads is a hub for planning and analysis tools, including the one we're interested in today, the Keyword Planner. By clicking on Planning within the Tools section, we transition closer to our main tool of interest. Planning encompasses several features for campaign management and strategy formulation, but our path leads specifically to Keyword Planner. This tool is specifically designed to help advertisers discover new keywords and see estimates of the searches they receive and the cost to target them. Clicking on Keyword Planner will usher us into the realm of keyword discovery. Within the Keyword Planner, you'll see an option to discover new keywords. This is the launching pad for brainstorming and uncovering keywords relevant to your campaigns and goals. Clicking this opens up a world of possibilities for keyword research, tailored to find terminology that your potential customers are actively searching for. Once you're in the keyword discovery section, it's time to get specific. Here's where you type in keywords related to your business, products, or services. The beauty of the Keyword Planner is its ability to generate new keyword ideas based on your input, offering insights into not just variations of your entered keywords, but also related terms you might not have considered. After you've entered your keywords, the next step is a simple click on Get Results. This action prompts Google Ads to work its magic, conjuring up a list of keywords along with valuable data such as average monthly searches, competition level, and suggested bid amounts. This data is invaluable as it helps in evaluating the potential effectiveness of each keyword for your advertising endeavors. This entire journey, from accessing Google Ads to diving into the Keyword Planner, and finally uncovering those precious keywords, is more than just a process. It's a strategic exploration aimed at enhancing your advertising efforts. But there's more to it than just following steps. Here are a few tips to consider along the way. 1. Be as specific and relevant to your product or service with the keywords you enter. This specificity will help in attracting a targeted audience, which is more likely to convert. 2. Take advantage of the data Google Ads provides. Use the average monthly searches and competition data to gauge how valuable and attainable each keyword is. 3. Don't hesitate to experiment. The best keyword strategy often comes from trialing different keywords, assessing their performance, and iterating on your findings. In conclusion, keyword research on Google Ads is a powerful process that can significantly impact your advertising success. By following these steps and diving into the Keyword Planner, you open the door to discovering keywords that can drive targeted traffic to your website or products. Remember, the most effective advertising campaigns are built on the foundation of strong research keywords. So, take your time, explore thoroughly, and let Google Ads Keyword Planner become your guide in the complex world of online advertising. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in finding the perfect keywords for your campaigns.